Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2005 Mustang 2109 with 2,926 hours. This skid steer has 99 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission, and is equipped with high-flow hydraulics and front auxiliary hydraulics. The lifting arm has a capacity of 3,850 pounds and an 84-inch bucket. The glass enclosed cab features air conditioning and heating. If you're interested in this Mustang 2109 and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.